Hello everyone, this is Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar. Class 6, I am your science teacher Rashid Khan here to explain about the chapter number 10, that is motion and measurement, in which I have to explain or revise about the chapter number 10, that is motion and measurement. So in which first one we have to write over here as motion. To which we can say the motion. Motion is what actually? Motion is defined as if any object move, if any object change its position, if any object change its position according to the surroundings in respect of a time, that is called as motion. Or in another word, we can say motion is what actually? An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position according to the surroundings in a given time. Suppose if any object is moved, so there is no chance that all the things in its surrounding is in its moment. That is, all the surroundings is in motion. If it is any body that can changes its position from one position to another position in respect to the surroundings with a given time, that is called as motion. Suppose if a bike are moved on the road, so the bike moves in respect to the roads. The roads cannot move. The nearer human being or might be the plant, animals, all the things that is in our surrounding, in that surrounding, cannot move in respect to the time as well. So we can say if any object move its position or any object changes its position, move or change its position in a fixed time or in a given path, so then it is said to be it is in motion. Motion might be have different kinds. Several type of a motion can be know about. Here are the different types of a motion, in which we have to discuss on first, that is a rectilinear motion or translatory motion. This one is called as rectilinear motion or translatory motion. Translatory motion. What is the translatory motion? Translatory motion is a motion in which an object move in a straight line and in a straight path, then it is said to be, that is a type of translatory motion. Suppose if an car moving on a road that could takes place or that can changes its place in a fixed time, but it runs on a straight road, so this one is said to be, it is the form of translatory motion or it is a rectilinear motion. A rectilinear motion, that means the object that can runs on a straight line, then it is said to be the translatory motion. It is a type of a translatory motion. And the rectilinear motion is a type of a motion in which the object can run on a straight line. So what are the different examples? Bus moving on the road, or we can say a group of ants or group of bird when runs or flow in a single line. So this is the type of a rectilinear motion. Or the soldier fasting march or you can say athlete runs in a straight line. So that is all the kind of a rectilinear motion, and it is said to be the translatory motion. Second one is circulatory motion. Next one is called as circulatory motion. What it is about? Circulatory motion. What is the circulatory motion called? Circulatory motion is a type of a motion which rotates itself after being passed over some interval of time. That means it can be a type of a motion in which it repeated itself after being a passed after some time or after being an interval of a time. So that is called as rectilinear motion, or it is a circulatory motion. The circulatory motion might be of two types. Suppose it is of a two type. What are these? First one is rotation, and second one is revolution. So we can say the circulatory motion is a type of a motion which can repeat itself after being passed after time. It is a motion in which it can repeat itself. What are these examples? Suppose if any top showing a motion about that is a showing rotatory motion, or it is said to be the rotational motion. It shows rotational motion. Why? Because it has the fixed point, and regarding to that it can be moved. Then it is said to be, it's a type of a rotation. It is the earth that have a fixed axis on which it can be rotates. It is the earth that can rotate on a fixed axis. On a fixed axis it can rotate all around it. So it is not move ahead, not move a bit as well, but without moving it can repeat itself, or it can just in a motion. In which type of a motion? This is in a type of a rotatory motion. Suppose a fixed point, and here is the swing slide, you can say, on which the child get move. That is a type of a rotatory motion. A fan moving on a fixed path. It's a rod on which regarding the fan rotating over and here. So it is a form of what? It is also the form of rotatory motion. This one is called rotation, in which object cannot move into its surrounding into a fixed medium, but the object is run on its fixed axis. On a fixed point it can rotate. So we can say it is a rotation. To what we can say revolution? When there is a sun, if it is a sun and earth rotate on its surrounding, earth rotating earth revolving, actually earth revolving in around the sun, that can be a type of a revolution. This is revolution, that is revolving. The earth is revolving around the sun, that is called as the revolution. It is another example of a revolution, you can say, if it is a earth, if there is earth and according to the earth there is movement of moon, you can see this one, the revolution of the moon approx the earth, that is called as a revolution. The movement of a moon in approx to the earth, that is also a form of a revolution. A bullock cart, not a bullock cart, but a bullock, when the at a time a fixed point on which the bulls run in a fixed distance, it runs or repeat itself in a fixed distance. This can be another type of a revolution. Why? Because the bullocks run, these are, if it is bullocks, so they run or revolve around an object, that is called as a revolution. So the circulatory motion is a two type of a motion, in which first one is a rotation and second one is a revolution, and it can also be called as the rotational motion and revolution motion. Next we can say the oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. What is oscillatory motion called as? Oscillatory motion is a type of a motion that can vibrate or shown a fixed type of a motion, as you can say the child sitting on a rocking chair. If it is a rocking chair, it has the fixed pathway. It is the motion that repeated itself on a fixed distance and a fixed pathway. The revolving chair, the chair, it is the fixed revolving chair that can revolve in a fixed time. Again, it can be move and come back, move and back and forth movement happen. This type of a motion is said to be oscillatory motion. Next, the pendulum of a clock. The pendulum of a clock shown as the revolution. It is shown as oscillatory motion as well. Pendulum of a clock. Next is the position of many engines is placed in front of that is a form of the oscillatory motion. A Taylor oscillate pedal by which the machine runs, that is another form of oscillatory motion. It's placed time to time, an up and down movement that take place. This is a kind of oscillatory motion. Next one is, this is the form of periodic motion. What is the periodic motion? Periodic motion is a motion in which Periodic motion is a motion in which an object repeated itself after being passed after some fixed interval of a time. What are these? It is the motion that can repeat itself after being passed of a time. Periodic motion. Periodic motion that repeats itself after pass of the interval of a time. That is said to be the periodic motion. What are these examples? What is the example of this particular type of a periodic motion? That is Earth rotating, Earth revolving around the Sun. It is a periodic. After being a fixed after a time, it can be revolve again. The Earth rotating or the Moon revolving around the Earth, that is another form of a periodic motion. Or bouncing a ball, there will be another form of periodic motion. It can bounce again and again. Next one is vibrating strings. If it is a string got vibrated, then it will be come back again to its form, then again vibrates. So this is another form of a periodic motion. So this is what we can call the periodic motion. Next one is non-periodic motion. What it is actually? Non-periodic motion. What is the non-periodic motion? What we can call? Non-periodic motion is a type of a motion in which an object could not repeat itself. An object can perform or can achieve it can move any direction and can shows the motion. So this type of a motion in which there is a no fixed distance, no fixed of the moment takes place, that is called as a non-periodic motion. Suppose that there is a bird fly in the sky, the kite fly in the sky, or the any object that flow in the sky as well. Motion of the house fly, motion of the birds, motion of the kite fly, motion of the smoke coming out of the fire, that is can be moved any here and there. So there are the different type of example by which the periodic motion can be explained. So this is all about that. The motion we will talk about the later.